trail. Today I'll show you something called a mouse trail. So first of all, one green flag clicked. That'll make this run when the actual green flag is clicked. Then we're going to get a forever loop. The code inside the loop will run forever. And we're going to go to the motion category, get this block point towards the mouse pointer, which will basically make it point towards the mouse pointer. This block does what it says. Then we're also gonna get this go to X Y block. And then we're gonna go to sensing. You see, it makes this block only allows us to type numbers to stay at a certain X position and Y position. In Scratch, you might already know this, but if you don't, let me tell you. So the X position controls from this side to this side of the screen, from side to side. And the Y position controls the position from top to bottom. So for this, we wanted to go for mouse X and mouse Y, and you see now it'll follow our mouse pointer, and you see it glitches out a bit, but it's good enough at least. And we're just gonna create clone of myself. Don't do what I started as a clone. Delete this clone. Yes, we will use those, although don't snap them together or it won't create any clones, because those clones, it'll be deleted because we're deleting the clone when the clones are made. So we just want them. Although the worst thing ever in this project is there's a Scratch 300 clone limit. And when we reach that, Scratch will not allow us from using more clones. So we need to delete the clones before we get to that clone limit. So to make that simple, get a repeat loop, put that under when I search clone, delete this clone. Change to repeat 10 to repeat 50. Get a change color effect by block in the looks category. Then change the 25 to 5, duplicate this block, and then change in the second one, change the color effect to ghost effect, and we have this. Now get this block, change size by 10. If you change 10 to -5 or 4, it'll become smaller as you move your mouse. And you see, look at this cool trail. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I'd like to see those comments down below. And it's a really short video, and this is the end. So thanks for watching. Bye.